Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'll show you how to use Yardbook. If you run a lawn care or landscaping business and need an easier way to handle customers, invoices and jobs, Yardbook is a solid choice. It helps you attract new customers, manage leads, keep track of your tools, schedule jobs, manage expenses and more. In this tutorial I'll show you everything you need to know about Yardbook. First, I'll discuss what Yardbook is and how it can help you. Then, I'll show you how to sign up for an account and give you an overview of the dashboard. Next, I'll show you how to add a new customer, create a new job, and finally, how to add an estimate. So, let's get started. Alright, first, let me quickly explain what Yardbook is all about. Yardbook is an all-in-one business management software designed specifically for lawn care and landscaping businesses. It simplifies the process of managing customers, jobs, invoices, and expenses by providing a user-friendly platform with various tools and features. It also helps businesses find new customers and keep track of leads. So it's a complete solution for everything your business needs. Let me show you how to sign up for a brand new Yardbook account. To sign up for Yardbook, just search for Yardbook on your favorite search engine and click on the first result. This will take you to the official Yardbook website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Join Today free button in the center of the screen and click it. You'll be taken to a page with a registration form. All you need to do is enter your email and password. Check the box to accept the terms and hit the register button. Next, you'll see another form to set up your account. Here, you'll need to enter some details like your name, business name, address, city, state/province, zip code, country, and phone number. If you have a referral code, you can add that too. After that, pick your time zone and click the save button. That's it. You'll be redirected to your dashboard, which might take a few moments to load. Once it's ready, you're good to go. Feel free to explore everything and check out the features. The Yardbook dashboard is where you'll manage everything for your business. On the left side, there's a menu with all the important tabs. Let me break them down for you so it's easy to follow. Firstly, the dashboard tab is like your home base, where you get a quick look at your business activity, including new customers, invoices, estimates, and payments. Next, the customers tab is where you add new clients, find existing ones, and keep track of their details all in one place. After that, the Jobs tab keeps things simple by helping you schedule and track both ongoing and completed jobs, so nothing gets overlooked. Next up is the Estimates tab. This is where you can create and send price estimates to potential clients before starting any work. Further down, there's the Invoices tab. It's all about your billing. You can create, send, and track invoices to make sure you get paid on time. Then there's the Chemicals tab. If your business uses fertilizers or pesticides, this helps you keep track of what you're using. Plus, the Equipment tab helps you manage your tools and machinery, so you always know what you have and what needs maintenance. Finally, the Sitemap tab is like a map of your Yardbook account. It shows you everything in a simple layout, so you can easily find what you're looking for. Alright, let's go through how to add a new customer in your Yardbook account. To add a new customer, click on the Customers tab on the left menu. This will take you to the page where you manage everything related to customers. Once you're there, look for the plus add button on the left side of the screen and click it. This will open up a page where you can enter the customer's details. Now, let's start filling it out. First, you'll see fields for the customer's first name and last name. Then, there's the email field. It's optional, but super important if you want to send invoices or estimates directly. Next up is the phone field. Again, optional, but it's good to add if you have it. If you're dealing with a company instead of an individual, use the business name field to enter their company name. Then, there's the prospect drop-down. This lets you mark whether the customer is a potential client or not. Next, you'll see the billing address section. To save time, you can use the search address field to quickly look up and add an address. If not, you can manually enter the address, city, and zip code. Once everything's filled out, just click the save button to add the customer to your system.
Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video.
Alright, now that you've added a customer, let me show you how to add a job. Jobs in Yardbook are super important because they help you stay organized and keep track of all your landscaping tasks. To add a job, go to the Jobs tab in the left menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all the jobs you've already created. Next, click the plus job button in the top left corner. This will open a new form where you can create a job. You'll need to fill out the required details, First, there's the description field. This one is required, so make sure you add a short, clear explanation of the job. That way it'll be easy to find later. Next up, you have the property address field. This is where you can type in a customer's name or address to link the job to the right person or location. Further down, in the schedule section, you can choose the date and time for the job. You can also make it recurring if it's a task you do regularly. Then there's the products and services section. This is where you can add a product or service from your catalog. Just type in the item you're looking for or click the link to see your whole catalog. Lastly, you'll see the billable checkbox. It's checked by default, so the job will be included in invoices. If it's a job you don't need to charge for, just uncheck that box. And that's it. Finally, once everything looks good, click the green Save button to add the job. Finally, let me show you how to add an estimate in your Yardbook account. To add an estimate, click on the Estimates tab in the left menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all the estimates you've already created. Now, click the Plus Estimate button. This will bring you to a page where you can create a new estimate. The first thing you'll see at the top is a section where you can add your company logo. Just click on the Upload a Logo option, and on the next page, click on the Choose Image button to upload the logo from your computer. Once you uploaded the logo, click the Save button to add it to your estimate. Once you've uploaded the logo, go back to the estimate page. Now, on the right side, you'll notice the estimate number and date fields. These are already filled in for you, but you can change them if needed. Further down, there are two sections, Company Info and Customer Info. The Company Info section automatically fills in your business details like your name, address, and phone number if you've already saved them in Yardbook. On the right, the Customer Info section lets you pick an existing customer from your list or add a new one by clicking the plus button. Plus, there's a table where you can add items to your estimate. It has fields like product/service, quantity, per unit, unit tax, tax percent, and total price. To add something, just click the plus add an item button and fill in the details like the service name, quantity, and unit price. Yardbook will automatically calculate the total cost for each item based on what you enter. Below the item table, you'll find extra fields like payment term, discount, past due amount, and PO number. These let you set payment terms, offer discounts, include any overdue payments, or add a purchase order number. There's also a comment section for quick notes to your client, and a detailed description area if you need to explain the services in more detail. Plus, there's an optional message box where you can add any extra info or a friendly greeting. At the bottom of the page, you'll see reminders about what will or won't appear on the printed or emailed estimate. Things like internal notes or attachments won't show up. They stay private. You can also add or update property measurements and use the discount calculator to adjust the pricing. In the notes and attachments section, you can leave private notes or upload documents and images for easy reference. Once you've added all the details, just hit save to store your estimate. From there, you can print or email it to the client. So sharing a professional quote is quick and simple. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video helps you understand the basics of using Yardbook. If it helps, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.